Go on, paint yourself into this picture. Breathe deep. In the east, where the winds are sweet. Those big blue skies are within your reach. A road trip here is its own reward. Find your path, but don't go fast. Slow down, let go. Refill your soul with simple pleasures and national treasures. From wild places to theatre spaces, without the airs and graces. In the East, you'll uncover history. Romans, Vikings, Normans came, and villages made. Join the locals at play. Renew your love of performance in venues world class. Watch the kids claim the castle, where learning means laughter. Let your heart race. Fill your mind with tales of doomsday spaces. Be lost for words, or just be lost.
Unlock your imagination. Head east.